Today we are making a delicious and nutritious fried salmon rice that's perfect for any meal. Let's dive right in. Here's what we need today. Some fresh salmon fillets, rich in protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. 2 eggs, ordinary ingredients in almost any kind of fried rice. Colorful veggies, lettuce, and carrots. Some black pepper and garlic sauce to enhance the flavor. And a ham sausage. This sausage is a popular Chinese processed meat product known for its savory flavor and convenient packing, often enjoyed as a snack in stir fries or as a topping for rice and noodles. First, let's prep our ingredients. Start by cutting the ham into small cubes so that you can fry it to make it more fragrant. The ingredients for fried rice can be a variety of things you like. Usually, we use whatever in the fridge as long as it's not ingredients with strong or unique flavors. Now let's do the same with the salmon. Here we have about 250 grams of salmon fillets, and let's cut them into cubes. The history of eating salmon in China is relatively recent compared to the consumption of other fish. Salmon became more popular in China during the late 20th century, as sushi restaurants gained popularity in the 1990s and 2000s. Salmon became a favorite ingredient due to its rich flavors and appealing texture. And marinated it with a pinch of black pepper and salt. Next, chop your veggie finely. By mixing colorful and flavorful vegetables into a delicious fried rice dish, you can make the meal more appealing. And finally, beat the eggs until they are nice and smooth. For the rice, takeout rice is ideal for fried rice because it's drier and separated easily. If you don't have it, letting fresh cooked rice cool to room temperature works too. Add a small amount of beaten eggs to the rice and mix thoroughly. This will help separate the rice and give it an attractive color. Spreading it out helps it cool faster. Prevent clumping when you fry it. Using enough oil and cooking on high heat can also make the rice fluffy and improve the overall texture. Now it's time to saute our ingredients. Let's start with the eggs. Cook them in hot oil over high heat and stir it quickly until they are fluffy. And set them aside. Now add the ham and saute until fragrant. Heat the wok again and adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in the carrots. Heating them in oil makes them even more nutritious. Now let's add the salmon. Fry on medium heat. Careful not to over fry it. And this is my version of Chinese fried rice. But there is many ways to make fried rice as there are grains of rice in a bowl of it. You can use chicken or pork or beef and even seafood if you prefer. At the end of the day, your perfect fried rice is ultimately personal, and you have just got to find what works for you. Saute the salmon for about 2 or 3 minutes until they have this beautiful brown color. Finally, toss in the lettuce for a fresh crunch. Toss everything into the wok and stir fry quickly. Finally, add in the rice. Make sure to spread the rice evenly in the pan to help it heat through and let the moisture evaporate. And add just a splash of soy sauce. And there you have it, a fragrant, colorful fried salmon rice that's better than takeout. It's nutritious and super easy to make. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Happy cooking!